Hi guys, these are my red velvet cake squares. I made these in the sheet pan, 13 by 9-inch pan. And here they are. I made a sheet cake. Then I cut them into squares. Thank you so much for popping on. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, watching, commenting. And don't forget to tap the post notification bell for more exciting videos. And these red velvet squares are delicious, and I made them from scratch. I used the Swan's cake flour, and they are really, really delicious. Please join me the next time for some more exciting videos. Bye now.